Come around, my friends. I got to show you how to remove a screen on HTC 620. It's not that difficult, it's quite easy. What happened was, the customers see this is broken here and got some dent there. They wanted to change just this, and I looked online for it. I couldn't find it. So we'll have to change the whole screen on it. I tried it, but I couldn't find it. So I told him that it's not a big deal, it doesn't make much of a difference even if we change it and blah blah blah. He said no, he needs it changed. He wants it to be changed. So yeah, I'm doing it. What we do is take this off. Battery comes off with it. This is HTC 620. 620? Yeah, I think it's 620. Yeah, it is 620. Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna fast forward this because if I don't do, it's gonna be a very long video. Okay. I think this one has a lock in there. So this has a lock. Let's open it like this. Okay, it's all out. So to do this, I'll have to remove everything, every component. Take it away. The motherboard parts, everything, and put it on a new one. I stopped. I'm gonna fast forward this as well.
Yeah, give me that one SIM card too. You're telling me unknown there. Yeah.
So this is the one I will be changing. This is the one I will be changing on it. See if it works or not. So we'll have to remove everything from here and put on this one.
The two are ringing.
That's good.
Yeah, the two are ringing. My friend.
So what should I do then? It's ringing, that's good, isn't it? If it's ringing, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah. So what are you saying with to transfer this?
It's gonna take me a while, so I won't be able to do it today.
Okay, I'll come back tomorrow and pick them up then.
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah. So let's remove all of these. This tape, I don't know why they've just rounded it up. Let's move it this way then. So once that is removed, remove this. It's got a lock there. Remove that as well. Try to be very careful with it. Okay. Try to be very careful with it. Okay. And then take this as well. I think this is a microphone or a vibrator. I don't know. We'll see. So once that is out, let's remove the motherboard from the housing. Is it stuck somewhere? Okay, it was glued. So there's a flex underneath. Be careful with that. Let's just pry it open. Stick it off with the prying tool. Okay, it's out. And this is quite easy to come off. This was quite easy to do. Just everything just came off so quickly. Now to move this, I need to remove this, this and this and put it on that. To move this, what I normally do is if you warm it up, it's easy to peel. So if you warm it up, it's easy to peel off. So just warm it up a little bit. If you apply too much heat to this, it's gonna bend it. So try not to apply too much heat on it. If you apply less heat, it's a bit stiff to come off. Okay, this is enough. So from one of the sides, I can just peel it off like this. Just peel it off. I'm doing this so that the glue is still intact with it, so that I can stick it again. It seems like the glue is not gonna come to the other side. Well, let's see. See, this happens. That's alright. So let's stick this first. No, hold on. Let me stick this first to the motherboard. Let's clip this here. And then I can remove the speakers. You have to be very careful while removing the speakers, because sometimes what happens is when you try to pull it off, it just comes in pieces. Let's do it from on this side. Okay, that's that. Let's do the other side as well. Oh, I forgot which side it was. So if this comes off and if we haven't recorded it, this is okay because it's got a long contacts in there, so we don't have to worry about it. But if it has, like, you know, two dots to contact these two pins, then what to do is see where it's gonna go in and put it there. So I'm just gonna put it like this. It doesn't matter on this one, either this way or that way. Okay, it's in. Let me remove the other speaker. Well, I have to remove the speakers because it didn't come with the speakers, so yeah. Not everything comes with the LCD. Some of them you have to remove it from the other phone and put it on the broken one where you're gonna replace it. So yeah, that's why. So it came off pretty easily as well. Just like this. Yeah, just like that. So just like this. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put this back in there. Let me see if there's anything missing on this. This. So yeah, it's got two screws. One of them is missing on this. So alright. Okay. Yeah. Just to put this back again. So let's just start with this. Maybe I might have put it the wrong way, this one. So let's turn it upside down. Yeah. So now, yeah, this is gonna touch properly. If it doesn't work, we'll have to open it again. That's the only thing. It's a waste of time again. So let's put this back in. Stuck there. That's a good thing. Now I'm gonna remove this glue from here. It's got a double-sided tape stuck to it. Let's remove that out first, and then I can just stick it over there. Take off that as well, and then it's upside down and it goes in there like this. Yeah, I forgot to put the antenna. Let's remove this again. See if I can just push this in. No, I don't want to break it, Let's just remove this and put the antenna back in. There's the outside. I don't have to remove that. There's no antenna in there. There is this one. Ew. It's confusing me. This phone is confusing me. It's alright. Everybody makes a mistake. Let's do everything again. Let's put everything back again. Let's not put this one first. Let's wait for it a little while. I'll put that later on. So once that is done, let me put this in. And screw all of these. So how many screws does this have? 1, 2, 3. So it doesn't have a screw here. There's one on the top. Screw there. Sounds okay. Let's put this one. And cover it. Let's just open this up and connect this here. It's quite simple to do. Put them back in. And the LCD flakes. Be careful with these flexes, man. You have to be very, very careful with these flexes. Yeah. Now let's put this in. It looks so thin. No, even the original one looks thin. Even the original one looks thin. Let's put this in there. Okay, it's in. Lock it. And let's see if it turns on or not. Just plug in the charger. Let's see. Now let's do this. Let's put it back and see what it does. And let's connect this as well. If it doesn't work, I'll have to order a new screen again. It's a waste of time, man. I should have ordered two, like I do with the Sonys. Let's try this. Let's cover it up and try to do it with the battery in. Let's see if it powers up or not. Now it's charging okay, but it's not showing up anything on the screen. Oh, it's showing up. Let's wait for a while to turn it on, and then I can put everything back in. Well, let's see if the touch is working on this. It just froze there. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna charge it. I got to leave now. Just gonna charge it and hopefully it's gonna work tomorrow. So let's just pack it up. So yeah, this I'm gonna have to leave it to charge for a while and see what happens, because it's about time I go somewhere. I need to go somewhere, so we'll have to stop this here and we'll see tomorrow if everything is working fine on this phone. Well, I don't know if I'll continue tomorrow, but thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you learned something. Hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Hey, turn on. No. If you liked it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Just punch it hard, man. Punch it hard. So that's all for now. Thank you very much and have a good day.